My name is Dr. David Hughes Sutton. I practice dentistry, general dentistry, here in Newport, Tennessee. Graduated from the University of Tennessee in Memphis in 1979. So I'm in my 40th year now of practicing dentistry. Dentistry became a focal point in my life in college. It came about because my parents encouraged me to become a dentist. It's because I enjoy working with my hands and helping people. And the truth is, in college, I saw a need for having dentists here in Newport. As soon as I graduated dental school, I came to Newport, purchased this practice from Dr. Martin Lungsford, and been working here ever since. Over the years, I've had other associates working here as well. And the last associate I have is my son, which hopefully will be the last associate I have, and I really enjoy working with him and sharing all the information I have gathered in dentistry over the last 40 years. The favorite part about working with patients here in Newport is just helping them get into a better health. That's my favorite part. As far as procedures go, I enjoy them all. I've been practicing dentistry, I said, for 40 years. And the truth is, I look forward to still practicing a number of years. And it's simply because, to me, coming here is not work. It's something I enjoy doing. It's entertaining, and I help people. And I look forward to learning to the next new thing that's available in dentistry to help my patients get better dental health. And so I just look forward to helping my patients any way I can, getting better health.